Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I am painting on a 18-inch round I got from Michaels, and I'm going to be playing with our Amsterdam Pearl paints. Going to be making clock, I think, out of this. So let's get down on the board and get started. Be right back. Hey guys! So we've got a little 18-inch round. I get these from Michaels. I like to make them into the large clocks, or you can do lazy Susans with them. But today I don't know what this one's going to be yet, but I want to use some paints that I haven't used in a very, very long time, which is the Amsterdam Pearl colors. So I'm going to puddle out some Payne's Gray, and then I'm going to be using the Pearl Red. I'm going to use Pearl Green, Violet, and Yellow. So, and I'm just going to puddle them out onto the Payne's Gray, and then I'm going to wreck them and tilt it out. So let's just pour a big old puddle of Payne's Gray out here. And these paints are just paint and Floetrol. I didn't add any whites to this, or excuse me, any water to this. So this should be pretty thick paint. Tell you what, let's move this around a little bit. There we go. One cup keeps on trying to move. No sense in wasting some paint on the stick, so let's just do that. Okay, so I think what I'll do is I will do a puddle of green here, here, so there's green. Put yellow. Violet. Red. Okay. And now I'm just going to wreck them. Should I do one more the other way? That'll really break it up, probably. Ugh, what is happening down here? All right, let's do one more. about the weight, so you gotta get this paint off the sides. And edges. That is really nice looking, and it's going to definitely dry. You can see the violet, I think the green and the yellow. This is really, really cool, guys. All right, so let's get it cleaned up. Make sure the sides and edges all have paint. That's gonna be a cute little clock. All right, so let's torch. All right, I'm gonna bring you guys down. Okay guys, so here we are with the wet result. So all that white that you see in there is going to dry into the violet, yellow, green, and red. You can start to see it really happening already. But look at how it's, you can really see how it mixed well with that Payne's gray blue. So nice. Okay, we'll see how this is dry. Hopefully it's done by tomorrow. Okay, you guys, it is still soaking wet, but I can see how the edges are drying, and I can see where the pearl colors are starting to turn. So when I get back from work, I'll be able to show you the dried results. But this is drying really, really nice. I'm getting the pearl colors of the green, yellow, violet, and red. I'm really excited about it. So I also made, let's see, I did this off camera. These still wet. So I took some CDs I'm gonna make into mini clocks. So these are still wet too, so I'm only gonna hold it up real quick. But that's one. These are still wet too, but that's two. And again, the pearl colors are drying and turning the colors that they're supposed to. The 3 discs I did as flip cups. I poured a little bit of the Payne's gray in the bottom of the cup, and then I poured in the pearl colors, and I flipped them over and then lipped it, and then I tilted it out. So these are these little small mini clocks, really cute. All right guys, I will see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your week. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.